Two trains are running in opposite directions with the same speed and same length. If the length of each train is 150 meter and they cross each other in 15 seconds, what is the speed of each train? Option A 36 km per hour, option B 30 km per hour, option C 54 km per hour, option D 101 km per hour. To solve this problem, first we let the speed of each train be x meter per second. So the equation will be 150 length first train, second train 150. The speed of each train x 150 plus 150 by x plus x equal to they cross each other in 15 seconds. The equation will be 150 plus 150 x plus x equal to 15. 300 by 2x equal to 15, or 30x equal to 300, x equal to 10 meter per second. But the here option are km per hour. To convert the meter per second into km per hour, first we multiply by 3600 and divide by 1000, because the 1 km equal to 1000 meter. If we calculate 00001010 equal to 36 km per hour. So the option A will be the answer. If you like the math, please like, share, subscribe our channel.